So this one right here may be one of the greatest, if not the greatest, home machine device that I ever tried. And why am I saying that? Because number one, as you can see, it's just the cube. So you can take it with you on the go if you're going out on a trip, if you're going out to friends and family, if you have a personal trainer or something like that, you can take it with you on the go. It is a little bit heavy, I'm going to say, but that actually translates into good quality because there are a lot of things happening inside of this machine. And also it has a cable that you can actually connect it to a USB-C port, and then again, just work it with you on the go. Then using it is super simple. Let me show you, I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds, but on an open space like this one, I can show you that you can do exercises, whatever you want. You can do it right here, you can do it in your office, you can do it home gym, you can do it anywhere you want. So it's on right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick start. Then once that I have here, it gets a countdown, and then you have many exercises to do with this. Oof. You want, oh my God, you want to do biceps? It's in a high resistance. By the way, this one pulls 160 pounds of resistance with this cable, or actually with the bar over there. There's so many exercises you can do, and you have an exercise sheet that you can, oh my God, you can actually cheat on and just make sure that you're making all those exercises. This is on a high resistance mode, so I don't think I'm going to be able to accomplish all the exercises right here on this video without changing the actual resistance. But this is so fantastic. Let's just take a closer look and I can take a break. So as I was just telling you before, you have every control right here. You can see the distance of the cables, you can see the reps, you can see the weight, you can see plenty of things, and you can also see the calories right here. You can see the rep count, and you can see the time. So what I'm gonna do actually right now is I'm gonna restarting. So it's restarting right now. This was the one. This is the level of resistance. So you can actually circle this one and you can see how many you have. You have up to 24, and the color keeps changing. I think it was on 7. It was already like, I mean, it says green, but I don't think it was green. So you can change the resistance again. And I think it was like short pressing. It was like a quick start, and then you can keep cycling. This one has programs, it has the quick start, and it has a target if you want to hit a target. So I'm gonna actually, there's so many programs right here. So you can see how many programs you have just like cycling the wheel. I don't know if you can actually see it from that far, but I'm gonna try to see how many programs you have. You have up to 12 programs that you can change based on the level of resistance, or just do a quick start. So I'm gonna put it in another resistant mode right here. So quick start. By the way, you have the instruction manual over here that is super easy to understand. So just give it a read and you're going to see how easy it is. You also have a belt right here that you can use it for multiple weights and exercises. And my favorite right here, you can unclip those two and use this bar for the same type of exercises. You can do biceps, you can do shoulders and chest all at once. You can do triceps and trapezius right here. You can do those ones as well. So everything with the bar or with the handles. But yeah, this is, as I was just telling before, a fantastic way of exercising anywhere you want. Just if it is at home office, if it is at your own office, or watching TV, which I think it is fantastic. And you can actually follow like a video or something like that by doing this as well. So that is, yeah, I'm gonna keep doing this, but I guarantee that this baby is gonna pull strength. I like it. I do recommend it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.